Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a couple of fantastic vegetarian recipes, but first I'm going to make roasted potatoes and runner beans with onions and tomatoes, and also I'm preparing a simple and easy pan fried salmon. Before we start cooking, check this video first. These are homegrown tomatoes, still grainy, not ready yet, but few of them are ripe. This flavors so much better and fresh. This is smooth round tomatoes and I'm going to pick them few. And these are ripe. Look at these lovely tomatoes. I love these. And here courgette, butternut squash, and potatoes, beetroot, runner beans. Now I'm going to pick some potatoes in the bucket. These potatoes I grew at home. I planted them when we were in lockdown in the UK, and this is the results after 3 months. Potatoes are such easy vegetable to grow at home. Growing your own vegetable is rewarding, healthy, really fun, and save money on groceries, and you can get outdoor exercise. So why not try growing them at home? This is easy to grow vegetable in the UK, and real fun comes at the end of the season. I'm so happy to pick them up. To encourage you to start with this so that anyone can have success, so you can have a lovely vegetable in your garden. Now I'm picking up runner beans. Looks so lovely. Runner beans, give them plenty of space. Taste so good, you can boil and eat them, and also roast it or make curry, anything you like. Now I'm going to start my cooking. So let's get started. Here I have lovely homegrown potatoes. This is already washed. Now I'm going to make roasted potatoes with onions. This is so easy and delicious. First I'm going to slice them with skin on. Here I have boiling water. I add a little bit of salt and oil into the pot. Slice potatoes. Potatoes straight into the pot. Now I'm going to boil potatoes about 4 to 5 minutes or until they're tender. This is done. Now I'm going to drain these out. Here I have 3 large onions. Slice them all. Into the pan, I'm adding olive oil, roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now I'm going to cook the onions. Fry the onions about 5 to 7 minutes or until they soften. And this is done and looks good. Here I have a baking dish. I'm going to add a small amount of olive oil into the dish. Spread oil around the surface. When baking, stop the sticking to the surface of the dish. First, I'm going to layer in the potatoes. Now onions. Spread them out into a nice layer. Some salt. And black pepper. Now repeat this process with more potatoes and onions and keep on layering. And more salt and pepper. Now this is ready. Into the oven 180 degrees. Cook for about 30 to 45 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked. Here I have lovely homegrown runner beans. This is washed and dry. Now I'm going to cut them into big chunks and roasted them with cherry tomatoes, onions and garlic. Just pop that straight into the bowl. Here I got garlic with skin on. I washed these, some onions and cherry tomatoes. These are small but excellent flavor. Everything into the bowl. For the seasoning, I am adding black pepper, salt and olive oil. I like to put all the veggie into the bowl and mix it really well rather than trying to toast it on the baking tray, because I'm going to roast these and make sure that everything nice and coated with the olive oil so it doesn't dry out. Now lay out on the baking sheet, spread it on, then cook nicely. Now pop these into the oven 180 degrees. Roasted these about 30 to 40 minutes or until completely done. These have been 30 minutes. I'm going to give a quick stir and back to the oven another 15 to 20 minutes. And potatoes, it's been 30 minutes, another 15 minutes. Here I have a salmon fillet. First dry this out with the paper towels. Make sure the fish is completely dry before season it. And I'm going to pan fry this salmon. Some salt. I'm going to season all the way around the fish, top, bottom and the sides. Some black pepper. And that's it. Into the pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Now add the salmon. First, flash side down into the pan. As soon as the fish goes into the pan, with the spatula to hold it down to set. This takes about 15 seconds. This way salmon cooks more evenly. Some salt and pepper into the skin side. Cooks for 3 minutes. Now flip this over. Another 2 minutes. This is done on a paper towel plate. Here I have a tomato from the garden cut into half horizontally, seasoned with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Into the same pan, lay these facing down in the pan. Fry this about 2 to 3 minutes per side. These homegrown vegetables are the most nutritious and have more minerals. Now turn this up. This is super simple and quick to do. I'm going to add cheddar cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. Now I'm going to put straight over the top. Now this is done. Here is my cooked salmon. I like to have a salmon with lemon. Just add in 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice over the salmon. And my tomato. This is nice, perfect, healthy meal ready to serve. And roasted vegetables completely done. Growing food is very simple. It helps you to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. I always eat healthy wide range of foods. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.